Hi, welcome to Rhondasaid. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I forgot to put my crown up. Got my crown up. Got my skeleton up. What else do I have up? My Bijou beauty box from August of 2020, which is this year. She runs a little late, but I'm always happy to get what I get from her. She's, I think, a one-woman show. She doesn't have a lot of help. I'm just trying to figure out how to open up this baby. This box is a conundrum. How do I open you, box? Like, oh, I see. It was clear tape, so I was like, I can't fit. Oh, the box beat me. Then I got, speaking of boxes, I've got Louie playing in some empty boxes right now. And as always, she personalizes the box and it says my name, Rhonda. If you didn't know, my name is Rhonda. Hi, how are you? And this is the Bijou beauty box. And this box comes with 5 products, retail value $115. And it lists everything right here with the value. And tear into the paper so you see it when I see it. We're all very excited. Oh, it looks really pretty. Oh, it looks like some good stuff. I'm very excited about what I see so far. Let's start with this. And this is a Suva Beauty Lipstick, which retails for $14. And I'm always about some, it says Glassy Lamination Liquid Lipstick. And it says it's in the color Fictional Reality. Let's see what color that is. Because I'm all about some, oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. I will totally use that. It's like a deep raspberry color. Fantastic. It is going with my lips collection, and I'll see how that formula is. That's $14. I'll wipe that off real quick. Ooh, these little pigment behind. All right. Oh, an OMFG. No, this is Illuminati Cosmetics Lip Gloss line. Lip gloss. No, these are not lip gloss. These are pencils. It says Illuminati Gel Paint, Electric Pink, and Electric Blue. So this sounds like eyeliners. Oh, the one, oh, it is Illuminati Cosmetic Gel Liners, $42 for both of these. Let's open it up and get to swatching. Ooh, that is hot pink. I don't have anything like that. And that is blue. And you did hear a toilet sound, and I'm sorry that you did. I hope you didn't, but there was a toilet sound. I have my office right next to a bathroom. So hopefully that wasn't too awful. I'm very embarrassed now, but I'm gonna keep going. Because if you don't have a toilet, then I would be surprised. I hope you all have toilets. This is very pretty. What is it? It is gorgeous. Oh, it says Illuminati Liquid Lip Gloss. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm into lip glosses lately. Look at that. Let's put that on top of what I have. Oh, that's gorgeous. I like that. And it's beautiful packaging. And this is a $21 value. This Illuminati stuff is sort of expensive. I'm still thinking about the toilet thing. I'm really embarrassed. I hope you can live with me. Looks like we have an OMFG. Oh, it's a glitter liner. I love glitter liners. I love glitter. And this is $6. It's red. I don't have a red glitter liner. Oh, look at that. That's nice. I do have a bunch of glitters, and I will put it with my glittery things. Super pretty. Look at that. Super pretty. And then last but not least, we have a palette from OMFG Cosmetics, and it is a $32 palette, and it's called Feeling Foxy palette. Let's open this bad girl up. Why's it gotta be a bad girl? It could have been a bad boy. I like that it's a different shape. I'm really thrilled with everything I've got in this box so far. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is a $30 a month box. So pretty. So pretty. Very pigmented. That's gorgeous. And it's got some glitters, and there's a red glitter in there. Soft. Look at that red glitter. That's beautiful. I'm excited. I'll put this with my palettes to be used in a video. And so that's great. We got a palette. We got gel liners. We got a lip gloss. We got a liquid lip. So we got eyeshadow palette, red glitter liner, 2 gel liners, a lip gloss, and a lipstick for a retail value of $115. You can also get a discount if you want to subscribe to this box. This is totally worth the price of it. You can get 20% off of Bijou Beauty subscription or a single box by using code Rhondasaid, all one word, Rhondasaid. And you can save 20% off of a box or a subscription. And I am loving it. Thank you so much, Bijou Beauty, for a fantastic box. And I don't mind that it's late because everything in here is a home run. Look at that lip gloss. Have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.